Hello everyone and welcome into today's video where we are checking out quite a big news in my opinion regarding Decentraland. And after we will check out this news, we will also check out the price charts as usual. So without any further ado, an early like or a subscribe is very much appreciated, so thank you for doing so, and let's go. So checking out this news is Decentraland joining Blender Developer Fund, and Decentraland is actually the first crypto native project to sponsor the beloved 3D modeling platform, which you may already know. It's very widely used. Actually, in 2020 alone, Blender was downloaded over 14 million times, so it is very much used in the industry. But what is it used for? If you don't know what is Blender, well, it's basically an open source 3D modeling platform built for content creators. And creators use Blender to sketch, design, build and polish virtual environments and characters across dozens of platforms, including Decentraland. And by becoming a patron member of the Blender Developer Fund, Decentraland will be also able to contribute to Blender's roadmap with open metaverses and user-generated content top of mind. So that's a very exciting news, and for me quite unexpected from Decentraland, to be honest. Definitely looking forward to the results of this partnership. But also important to mention that this initiative was originally posted in Decentraland's governance platform by member of the community, and it gained unanimous support from the entire community. And finally, Decentraland's DAO committee finalized the agreement. And with this short bit of news, we can jump into the price charts, where we can see actually we are dropping a little bit from last time we checked out Decentraland. However, it almost seems that we are right under a very significant support here, which acted as a support in November 2021, however also as a quite a strong resistance over here in July 2021, and a couple times previously again as a resistance and support. So pretty respected levels over here. However, I don't think it's necessarily the end of this bull trend in mana token here, because we are reaching this 50-day moving average, so that should support the price as well. And also we can see that there has been a lot of selling pressure lately, so many people have been booking profits in this phase over here, so there should now be way less selling pressure going forward. However, if we manage to break this support and start heading even lower, I think the next line of defense, the next line of support would be this horizontal support line over here, defined in the previous all-time highs in April and May 2021. And to get a full picture, we are checking out the Bitcoin ratio as well, where there has been a pretty similar trend over here. Quite a big profit booking over here. We can see some selling pressure down at the MACD, but also we are very close to this support line over here. And again, this support line is very well defined. Previously it acted as a resistance here in the rise of the mana token at the beginning of November, but also then as a bit of a support for this bounce off. But even before that, in May 2021, as a strong resistance over here, and also August 2020, and finally about 2 years ago it acted as a quite a strong support. So quite very well respected levels. And again, I suppose with the combination of this moving average here, there should be some solid support for the price. However, if we manage to break this one, it will probably drop quite a bit more than we could see in the US dollars. First level that looked like that could be some support is this level right over here. We had a couple of tags as a resistance, but also as a support, or even these levels which acted as a support over here. The worst case scenario, I think, is dropping all the way down to previous all-time highs here in April and May 2021, but there will be actually over a 50% drop in this ratio, so quite a substantial one. And by quite a substantial one, I mean quite less likely. And this is it from what I wanted to cover in this video. I hope you enjoyed this one. If so, make sure to subscribe or like this video if you enjoyed. And with this, I thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next one. Cheers!